equipped with high-precision measurement and testing devices to provide reliable and quantifiable data support. Includes imported handheld fluorescence analyzer, LED spectrum analysis meters, cable tensile strength testing machines, imported Mitutoyo vernier calipers, high-precision imported Mitutoyo micrometers, LCR bridges, high-temperature aging chambers, and color difference meters. Based on the processing conditions, we conduct process inspections strictly according to the procedures. During the production of each batch of orders, we conduct first article inspections and routine inspections for key processes and ensure that each work order product can only enter into formal production after being confirmed by the IPQC key process, first article inspection, and sign-off. Our company upholds the manufacturing philosophy of lean production pursuit of quality, satisfaction of customer needs, and continuous improvement, constantly optimizing production processes and enhancing product quality. We have equipped a series of professional R&D and testing facilities and established comprehensive testing laboratories